Hey guys, this room was fantastic. I fell in love with the bathroom. The bathroom is huge. It's plenty of counter space. The shower has the rainforest shower head. It also has a detachable one. You have a water closet. It's even a see-through window so you can see out into the bedroom. I mean, this was fantastic. The bathroom stole the show for me. The room itself, comfortable, clean, beautiful. They refilled your water every day. Um, Plenty of drawers. You got a full length mirror, a vanity, big, huge flat screen television. Your first round of drinks, that bar that you see coming up, all of that is included for the first round, including what's in the refrigerator. And in the refrigerator, there was like Cokes, energy drinks, a bottle of champagne, 2 bottles of wine. You have a setup so that if you need to mix drinks, you can mix drinks. It is, I mean, fantastic, guys. I am spoiled. On the balcony actually has two chairs and a table, and also a hammock. And most of the balconies and Rockstar suites, they have the hammock out there. And so I had a time trying to get in that thing. I got another video for y'all for that. Hilarious. The bed was comfortable. It's a king size bed. I mean, fantastic. You have plenty of closet space. When you open the closet doors, the lights come on. You have plenty of hangers. You have plenty of storage, so you don't have to worry about that. On the other side, you'll see next, there's actually baskets in there, and there's a safe and more drawers. So, I mean, everything is fantastic. And that tablet right there controls everything in the room. Thank you, nieces and nephews, for watching this video. Please, I need you to like, subscribe, and comment so I can continue to bring you more content. See you when I see you. Love you.